Meaning of earmark.
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 Earmark. The verb earmark means to designate or set aside something for a particular purpose. This action is often accompanied by a specific plan or intention for how the earmarked item will be used. For example, a government might earmark funds for a new public transportation project, or a company might earmark resources for a marketing campaign. By earmarking resources in this way, individuals and organizations can prioritize certain activities and ensure that they have the necessary support to accomplish their goals.